Welcome to Mobile App Wi-Fi Connection G2 tutorial. Please unplug the computer before using the app connection when the mobile app is connected to the machine. Only 4G network is supported. Press the device reset button about 5 seconds to reset. The indicator is green. Open Setting on the top left, click Line Card Connection Settings. Go to Network Configuration and configure as prompted. Then turn on the VLAN to connect to the extranet Wi-Fi. To obtain and set the extranet Wi-Fi information, click to Get Wi-Fi Information. To set Wi-Fi information, click Settings. Before configuring the network, you need to connect the Wi-Fi of the device. The Wi-Fi name of the device is G-Laser. Turn on VLAN and find G-Laser. Enter the password. Click Configure the network. The indicator status is fast flashing blue lights. Wi-Fi setting is successful. Connect to the external network Wi-Fi, extranet Wi-Fi information. Click Connect Device. Configure the extranet router. The lights of indicator is steady blue. Internet route configuration succeeded. Thanks for watching.